EBSCO's ultimate databases for schools and public libraries empower researchers to go beyond search results and truly explore. Topic Discovery Pages act as centralized hubs, bringing together articles, ebooks, primary sources, videos, and other trusted resources around a single topic. Accessible through Topic Explorer and Smart Panels, these pages make it easy to dive deeper into popular or curriculum-based subjects from ancient civilizations to modern ecosystems. For educators, they're a rich source of supplemental materials to enhance lessons and spark discussion. For learners of all ages, they create an engaging, interactive, more dynamic research experience that leads to greater success. Explore deeper. Connect ideas. Inspire learning. EBSCO's ultimate databases for schools and public libraries.